right now I am doing a render. It should be done in like a minute, but there is an overlap in my time today. So let's give it a second. Or 5. Anyway, if audio or anything is off until that render is over, I apologize. I'm not going to do anything about it. So, let's start with Bitcoin, because it has been quite argumentative these last few days. Oh yeah, I have to pop out the chat. I didn't do that. Great. So, starting with Bitcoin, we still have noisy compression on the 4-hour chart. So the reason I call this noisy compression is because if you compress long enough, what was once defining volatility no longer does, because your period look back just is no longer incorporating that data that defined a trend, right? So our set look back for our volatility indicators is 100, right? So when we look back 100 bars, this is what we're using to define volatility. This is our new normal. And this is our new normal for a lot of people who are trading Bitcoin. They are using leverage relevant to this much volatility. Okay? So because of this, there is a lot of liquidity stuffed on either side of this range. Because you have a tight range, you have people who are over-leveraged because they want their gains in a non-volatile market, which is kind of entertaining that Bitcoin would go through its longest compressionary period in years, probably a year and a half. Last time it was this compressed was late, like September 2018. So it is just ridiculous how long we have done nothing. And because of that, what we use to define volatility is now reading as noise, because the noisy. Shoot. So, with that in mind, we care about the following information. On our 1-hour chart, we can actually define these ranging expansions and compressions by doing the following. Each of these plumes are really clean, so we should get nice ACAT readings. Okay. So we have our active mean aversion here, which completed despite all odds. It looks like a downtrend exactly because it's so compressed that it doesn't take much. Yeah. It's fighting us, essentially. So, it looks like a downtrend because there isn't much to deal with. What I'm waiting for, though, is on the macro. Because, like I said before, our intraday volatility is defining volatility in our small ranges down here. So if we go to a higher time frame, in other words, increase the look back, we are still using old data, this volatility, to define our compression. And because of that, we still get clear readings on higher time frames, which is what I'm very excited about. Because this CLCP, this compressionary range, is honestly ideal. I am quite confident in its swing high and swing low. With that in mind, I am waiting for the 14-period wave PM to cross up above the 100 and start defining a new trend. So, fingers crossed on that front. Okay? That's it. That's it for the daily on Bitcoin, really. No other stunning revelations, unfortunately. It's just sideways until it isn't. And I know that sucks, but hey, if you can define the smaller ranges that form as a result of our compressions, then trade those. Or just wait for the daily to do something, and then the snowball will roll, and it will roll quite hard. Because when we're this compressed, price tends to be quite reactionary, to say the least. So, Kat, do you have any good charts for us today? Looks like we are checking out CAH first. The TSX. Centric Health Corporation. Goodness. Oh, man. So, the pip size is really inconvenient. I'll start off by saying that. Or tick size. Tick length. Jesus fuck. Tick length is really a nuisance. And volatility indicators generally prefer smaller tick lengths than this. Because every time this moves a tick, it's quite a jump. And because of that, yeah, it's 2%. Is that correct? Jesus. Price, what's the cap on this? What have you gotten me into? $65 million. I'm kind of surprised. Okay, well, obviously you like the trend, but this is just so insanely volatile. Here on the 4 hour, 60. Okay. I am just uncomfortable about trying to enter and exit. Since one of Mark Whistler's #1 rules is if you can't control where you enter and exit, you shouldn't be in the position. And with tick lengths like this, it's not what I would prefer to trade. But I see the trend is up, and you like that. I understand. But question is, have we compressed long enough on the macro level? So let's do the weekly, all right, to actually enable this kind of trend. The short answer is a yes. The long answer, man, I wouldn't play it. It's not my chart. Sorry, man. There are better opportunities. I will put it like that. Like, sure, you have a trend, but that's all I see. Though those could still tag the 3.2 CLCP on the 15-minute 1 hour chart. Yeah, I'm kind of curious about that. Let's check it out. Show me what you got. Oh shit, that's a failed expansion to the upside. Oh wait, no. Because you consider waiting after it's above the 0.7 value, if you're being safe, which you should be on lower time frames. Okay. Yeah. No, that's still pretty good. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're in an active downtrend here. Honestly, there might be a short op here on Bitcoin. 1 second. Let's get that loaded. I'm gonna get more tea. I got more tea. A beautiful cast iron teapot. Today we were drinking ginger and Darjeeling, which is just a mouthful, both literally and to say. Oh shit. Yeah, short around 9,385. Using the 10 as a buffer zone, or 3.2, or the 1/10 period CCI roll down would actually be viable here, which is entertaining. Lock's definition from back here is integrating into the cloud still, which honestly is kind of convenient. All right, RT Y1. Oh shit, we're doing it. Sure, we can start here while it loads.
Connecting. Connected.
Give me the mini Russell, come on. Here it is. For June? Oh, have these expired, Cat? Oh shit, they've expired. They won't load, will they? Nope. Oh, they will. Okay, never mind. What's the expiration date on the June contracts, Cat? I don't remember. Okay, immediately what I'm seeing on the 1 hour. Friday. Use RTY U20. All right. Volume is transitioned over. Okay. Oh. Okay. I don't have... I have to go on my quote manager. Okay. I haven't done this in a while. Shit. Cat. Okay, it's fine. I don't care right now. I am not troubleshooting this on live stream. But what I will do is look at what we currently have. And I'm not using volume candles, so I don't think it should be too big of a deal. Question mark? Oh, 4 hours noisy. Daily we can't register the expansion, which is fine. Honestly, I'm just seeing this nice CLCP range here for the long. Which is okay. The lot's just tapering off. Are you looking at the lower time frame scan? No. No, that's conflicting though. Yeah, because that implies short now, doesn't it? And you're getting the start of the new CLCP there. Looking at potential breakout down to continue the move from last Thursday after 4-hour mean reversion. Okay.
Don't be afraid, Jay.
Altitude, velocity, light. 8.5 down.
Yeah. No, I agree with you.
15 forward.
Short and lower time frame.
11 forward, coming down nicely. 200 feet.
Okie doke.
8.5 down.
AUD USD.
Within 60 feet.
I think that generally the equities are fundamentally bearish. Well, yes. I think so too. RTY is the most volatile right now and seemingly the first to roll over here. Oh shit, you think this is the start of something bigger?
100 feet. 3.5 down. 9 forward. 5%. How many bite?
I'm liking what you're saying, Kat.
75 feet. Guys looking good. Down a half. 6 forward.
Closing 15 minutes here though.
Lights on. 6
Triple witching on Friday.
2.5. Forward.
All right.
Forward. 40 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Big shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward. Drift into the right.
So I knocked over my light box today. Oh, the wind blew it over, excuse me. And it's on the floor. And my dog has been hunting it the entire day. Very proud of her. Yeah, bullish mean reversion. Well, no, because I don't like how we're generating that lock here on the 5 minute. Okay, 4-hour chart. Let's go. Oh, cat! I like it. Oh my god. You don't think we're rolling down here, do you? So what I'm seeing is the 1/10 roll down, which is just textbook. Right there. And now that's... It's good, cat. If we have signs of downward expansion in lower time frames, I will take that. We do not. Oh, not really any trend definition down here. Okay. Yeah, because there's still the 1-hour compression area range, which is nice. So I guess we can define... This is support here at 68675. And a break below that would trigger what I'm looking for. It's good. All right, that's about all I have time for today, folks. It's been a pleasure. I'll talk to you all tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. MST. Have a good one.